This clip is a prime example as to why one should never do stunts on public roads. Not only would one be a danger to himself, but to others as well. Now, the first question that comes to mind is, did he live? And the answer is a resounding yes. The biker attributes his survival and lack of injuries due to God's graciousness in looking out for him. What an absolute miracle.
Compilation.
Popraźmy pederas!
Krigi vršiš.
Postanowy.
The Ford driver failed to check their mirrors, the blind spots, and turned right from the leftmost lane, resulting in this accident. The Ford driver would be found at complete fault. The sedan driver came from the opposite lane due to losing control. They crashed and ping-ponged between semis. This accident is still under investigation. Hopefully the sedan driver makes a speedy recovery. The driver was not happy that the camera was going the speed limit and decided to overtake using the shoulder, resulting in the crash. The sedan driver was found at total fault and cited. The truck driver sideswiped the camera and took out his bumper and then ran off. The camera has filed a police report and the officers are on the lookout for the truck and the truck driver. The Cadillac driver allegedly claimed that his car was stuck on reverse and his brakes quote unquote failed, which resulted in this crazy mishap. Do you believe his story? Let me know what you think down below. The cyclists were seemingly upset at the camera. The camera stopped engaging and pulled over to let them pass. After they started portraying their dismay, they crashed into each other and then tried to say it was the camera's fault. This accident was ruled 50-50 according to the local officers because both drivers failed to stop at the stop sign. Was this a fair ruling? What do you think? The landscape truck fails to notice the oncoming Toyota pickup, which results in this collision. One should only proceed when they are 100% sure it's safe and clear to do so. This clip is a great example as to why one should always maintain a safe following distance, as a sudden stop can result in a quick pileup. Also, if you have a moment, check out Researcher's channel. Great guy. The Jeep driver tried their best to sideswipe and cut off the biker, but missed. When that turn came up fast, the Jeep driver got a dose of karma and crashed into the wall. The semi-truck driver was at fault for ramming into the car ahead of him, resulting in it being engulfed in flames. Everyone made it out okay, thankfully. The semi-driver is now allegedly awaiting sentencing. This clip is a great example of how a small distraction can cause a crash. Had that driver been alert behind the wheel, this could have been easily avoided. They used to always call the 11'8" bridge the can opener, and I believe this clip is one of the best portrayals for it. It reminds me of the can of tuna I opened last night. Wasn't the best.
Going straight, that's the cross street. I'm going straight up, like I'm going to like Nyack Hospital. I'm going up the little hill, going up to Nyack Hospital.
Right, what road are you on currently?
I don't know what this road is.
Hold on, I'm trying to find it.
I just passed the second entrance to Rockland Lake. I'm passing
What
right
other
in.
village do you think you're in?
I'm in Nyack.
You're in Nyack?
Yes,
Rockland Lake's in Congress.
Congress, right. And I'm following this car. I've been following for the last 5 to 10 minutes.
You're calling from?
845-467. You
I'm
can track
recording.
my
What
phone.
is the emergency?
There's a car that's driving on the other side of the road and it's weaving, and oh my god, it just went into an accident, and it just
Hold on.
okay. My daughter.
I'm recording all of it.
Oh my god.
Is it girl? Is
Oh
it
my
a
God.
girl or a guy? Is it okay?
No, he's not okay.
Clock staff 911, where is your emergency?
If you could track my phone, I'm going up like Congress Road all the way, like I'm going to Nyack. There's a car that's weaving, and it just hit a pole, but it just kept on going.
You're on Route 9W?
Yes. And this car is gonna go off this cliff.
Did you pass the Rockland Lake?
Yes, I did. Please hurry.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom!
He just hit a
Where is it?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! It just flipped over.
It just okay.
Okay, the vehicle flipped over, man?
Yes.
I'm getting out the car because it just hit another vehicle, and I want to make sure they're okay.
Mom, be careful.
Okay, that's fine.
The camera was on the phone the whole time with 911 reporting this incident. They did a fantastic job given the circumstances by maintaining their composure and trying to notify the operator of where they were. Hopefully the drunk driver gets prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.